Hey, what's up you guys? So in this video, I'm gonna reveal to you 10 passive income streams that are currently paying me over $10,000 per month. Now, the best part about it is most of these are affiliate offers, meaning I don't have to create any product. I don't have to fulfill on the actual offer itself. I don't have to worry about customer service, fulfilling refunds, anything like that. That's the best part about this is over $10,000 a month is passive income. Now, obviously some of you know that I do have my own courses. I do have my own program now, but this is honestly one of my favorite ways to make money because I don't have to fulfill on anything. I don't have to worry about customer service or worry about refunds. So I want to show you exactly these 10 income streams that are paying me over $10,000 per month. Now guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel I teach people how to start a full-time passive income business with affiliate marketing. The main goal of my channel is to help you guys create that passive income business so you can leave your 9-to-5 jobs, create financial freedom, and do whatever it is you want when you want to do it. So if you want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel. Let's get into the video. Now, I also want to mention that I'm going to show you how I'm getting these passive income streams and how you can do this as well. I'm going to show you various methods and various strategies that I'm using to build up this passive income stream. Now, this is passive income stream number one. This is the ClickFunnels affiliate program. Now, you can see in the last 30 days, we've done over $1,668. Now, I love this program because I use it. I use ClickFunnels in my business to build my email list, to build my membership areas, my courses. Literally, I use this for every single thing that I use in my business. So, you know, I love promoting this. This is an easy product to promote. Now, how am I actually promoting it? There's a few different ways that I promote ClickFunnels. Now, one of my favorite ways is by using YouTube. So I literally create reviews on how to use ClickFunnels, or, you know, how ClickFunnels can benefit businesses, right? So here's some examples right here, guys. You can see that I actually just created some more videos. Right here, you can see how to make money with ClickFunnels in 2021. Now, the goal with these types of videos is I want to show them the power of, you know, having an automated sales process in their business, right? You can see another one right here. What is ClickFunnels and how does it work? Now, people always ask me, what type of content should I create? Now, it's a great question. You just go to YouTube and just type in ClickFunnels, okay, with the space, and you can see all the things that people are typing in. This is the best way to do it because YouTube is literally going to show you what people are already typing in, right? So people type in ClickFunnels alternatives, right? So you can possibly make a video on, hey guys, you know, here are all the alternatives, but you know, I still like ClickFunnels better, right? So you can kind of frame it in that way. So all these ideas you could also do like ClickFunnels. Let's just say you want to do A and then space, and then now there's more reviews or more keywords that you can use, and you can do the same thing, ClickFunnels B, and see all the keywords that we can use to create the content around it. Now, that is income stream number one. Income stream number two is Legendary Marketer. Now you can see here over almost $400 in commissions here. And this is a program I've been promoting since May of 2019. This is one of the biggest programs that I was promoting as far as affiliate marketing. Now, I don't actively promote this now, but I do have older videos that are still ranking on YouTube. And that's why I always say, guys, YouTube is so powerful because it still brings me commissions from, you know, reviews I did years ago. Watch, so if I go back to YouTube and then I go to my channel and just type in Legendary Marketer, you know, you can see all the old videos that I typed in or that I created. So I'll go over here. Here's a video I did 8 months ago, a year ago. You know, these are all the videos and they're still pointing to that product. And guys, this is why I love YouTube. If you're gonna start an online business, start a YouTube channel. And I'm gonna leave a link down below to my 1,000 YouTube subscribers per month blueprint. It's absolutely free. I'm gonna leave a link down to that. Now, income stream number three is GetResponse, okay? I obviously use this, so I love it because it's an autoresponder, and this is what I promote, and this is what I recommend to all my students. And there's a few ways that I'm promoting this actual product. The first way, again, is YouTube. So, you know, if you go to my YouTube channel, I have videos on how to build an email list, how to use GetResponse. So same thing, guys, you know, if you go over here and just type in GetResponse, you can see I'm actively promoting it, right? So if I go over here, GetResponse, I have videos on it, right? I show you how to build an email list. So all these videos are how to do that. Now, what I want to mention is the way I'm promoting this is a little bit different, right? I'm not doing reviews on GetResponse per se. What I'm doing is I'm showing people, you know, how to build an email list, right? How to build an email list for affiliate marketing. And the reason I'm doing that is because I'm showing them, they need to be building an email list, and then they need GetResponse to do that, right? So then I'm bridging the gap. So that's what I usually like to do in my YouTube videos, is teach people how to do something, but then give them the tools that they need to be able to do that. That typically converts way, way better, and that's what I recommend you do as well. Now, the next one, guys, this is income stream number 4, is ThriveThemes. As you can see here, over $111. Now, what this is, it's basically a pop-up that comes up on your website to collect emails, stuff like that. So the way I'm promoting this is actually with a blog. So right here, you can see I have this step-by-step free affiliate course that I give out. And basically inside of here, I have a link to my ThriveThemes, because what it does is it comes up with a pop-up on how to collect emails. So I don't know if it'll do it right now, because here it is. So this is the Thrive theme. Basically, it's a pop-up that comes up for your website. So I show people how to actually do that using this free course here. Okay, I'm not sure why it's not loading here, but anyways, that's the 4th program that I promote. Now the 5th one, this is one of my favorite income streams. I talk about this one all the time, is YouTube ad revenue, guys. So this one here is one of my favorite income streams, because it's literally just YouTube is paying me to create content. Okay, so you can see a little over $1,700 in the last month. With YouTube ad revenue, you do have to have 1,000 YouTube subscribers. You do have to have 4,000 watch hours, but this is an awesome income stream, because once you get this going, then YouTube literally pays you to create content. And if you know how to monetize that content, then you can make a lot more money. But this is just an incentive to create content consistently. And I love the YouTube the YouTube partnership program. It's a great, way to make money. I mean, $1,700 a month is a lot of money, right? This is almost a paycheck that I had as an engineer. So I'm really, really happy with this one. Now, the 6th income stream is TubeBuddy, and this one right here, you can see not a huge income stream here at $36. But what I like about this one is it is, once people get on it, then it's a monthly reoccurring commission. I love monthly reoccurring commissions because they pay monthly, right? So with TubeBuddy, it's basically software that helps you rank YouTube videos. So the way I'm promoting this is I have free content on YouTube. Again, so if you go to my YouTube channel, and then we'll type in something like free YouTube course, you can see I have a free course on how to use YouTube. Now inside of this free course, I actually have my TubeBuddy affiliate link. So if I go down here, you can see somewhere right there. So you can see my TubeBuddy affiliate link right there, because that's the tool, right? Again, I'm showing them that they need this tool to be able to rank their videos at the top of YouTube, right? That's what I teach, is YouTube. Another income stream that I promote, and I think we're on number 7, but this is ShareASale, okay? ShareASale is, again, this is a network, kind of like ClickBank. I promote multiple products within this network, but I've made $125 this month so far. Now, this particular one is for a product that I promote called InkFile, which is showing people how to start their online businesses as far as their taxes, okay? So this is a product that I actually promoted a long time ago, and again, it still brings me income, guys. That being said, YouTube, start a YouTube channel. It's so powerful, guys. Once you get it rolling, it just brings in income like you would never believe it, okay? So YouTube is absolutely amazing, okay? So number 8, okay, I believe this is number 8, is ClickBank. ClickBank right here, you can see $472 from ClickBank. I don't actively promote ClickBank products at the moment, but again, these are reviews, these are blogs that I've written in the past, and they're still bringing me income. Again, guys, it's so powerful that you create an SEO type content, right? Search engine content, whether it's YouTube, whether it's a blog, right? Whether it's a Pinterest. Pinterest is also an SEO type of content, okay? Those are the biggest things I recommend when starting a successful online business, okay? All right, the next income stream is PayPal. Now, this one is actually a multiple of affiliate products that I promote. With this one here, there's some affiliate products that don't want to show their back office, stuff like that. So this is just a multiple of products that I promote. You can see over $6,500 in the past 30 days with PayPal. Again, this is just a multiple amount of products that I promote, and they pay out with PayPal. Now, the last one here is InVideo. Basically, this is another product that I promoted on YouTube. This one here, $110 here. And again, this is just videos that I'm creating on YouTube, guys, you know, talking about these products and then linking out to my affiliate link. So guys, these are the 10 passive income streams that are paying me $10,000 per month. So when I was first starting my affiliate marketing business, that was the threshold I wanted. I wanted to hit $10,000 a month so I could quit my 9-to-5 job. And I remember working so hard to get there. But guys, this is what I recommend if you want to build a passive income business, okay? One, build a searchable type content, right? Whether it's YouTube, blogging, Pinterest, always have something searchable because it's gonna pay you later on, right? All the content I made before is gonna pay me later, okay? Even the content I'm making today is gonna pay me years and years to come, okay? Unlike TikTok, unlike Instagram or Facebook, you have to continue to make content every single day, okay? That's the first thing. The second thing is you have to create an email list. An email list is so powerful because I can literally take my emails and send any offer I want. I can literally print money. And if you guys understand the power of an email list, you will be building one today, okay? Like, it's so powerful having an email list. Now, guys, I wanna teach you how I'm doing this. I wanna teach you how I'm able to promote multiple programs, but just with one email list, okay? I'm gonna break it down extremely simple for you guys and show you how to build one email list, but with that one email list, you can promote multiple products and build a brand for yourself that is gonna help you quit your job, help you build a $10,000 a month business, whatever it is you're trying to achieve, you know, with your online journey. So guys, I'm gonna leave a link down below to my 3-day business breakthrough challenge, where I'm gonna show you exactly how to build an email list, how to get traffic, and how to build this out for the long term. So thank you guys so much for watching my YouTube videos. Comment down below if you have any questions at all, and I appreciate you guys so much. You guys have a blessed day, and we'll see you on the next one.